It is snowing its butt off. Holy cow. Starting to stick. Man. Call this a winter wonderland. So pretty. Kind of snow I like. It'll fall and then it'll be gone. Alright, it's been 30 more minutes. Holy cow. It's coming down fast. Let's see if I can get Phoenix. Ew. Wow. This is crazy. It's only been 20 minutes, but this stuff has fallen. It's so big, and it's fallen like slow motion. It's the craziest thing I've ever seen. And these snowflakes are massive. One just hit my hand. It's as big as my finger. They're just huge. It is so cool. He's got to get used to walking in his shoes. Come on. And his jacket. Come on. Let's go. It's still a winter wonderland. So pretty out here. But, I mean, you can see it's pretty deep. But of course, little man needed to go potty. He finally remembered how to walk in his shoes. Look at his little footprints in the snow. Ain't that cute? Can you not see very well? Looks like your hood's trying to cover your eyeballs. Huh? You want Mama to help you out? Look at that cute little face. Is that better, baby? Can him see better? Come on. Hold your head up now. There we go. Alright, you ready to go back in the camper? Come on. See how there's Phoenix. Come on. Mama's hands are cold. Come on. Good boy. Are you ready? Hey guys, I just wanted to talk to y'all for a minute. My baby left yesterday. He took a job in another state with a company called Pittsburgh. He's a welder, and he had to drive to Kentucky. So he left at 8:30 last night, and he arrived there at 7 o'clock this morning. And he got the job, passed his welding test, which I knew he would. I had no question in that. My only worry now is his truck. He informed me that it was using 5 quarts of oil every time he filled up, and he filled up 4 times. That's a lot of oil. So now he's got to go to New Jersey from Kentucky. So I just need some prayers, please, saying that my son will make it okay. I don't know what else to say. I'm just doing some deep praying for him. But anyways, it's been a snowy, crappy day, and it's still snowing as we speak. We've gotten, I would say, 2 inches, and they're saying that it's not supposed to stop for a while. So we're probably going to end up with at least 3 inches. It would have been a lot more than that, but the ground is still warm enough that it's melting some too. So that's been a benefit. And the roads aren't icy or anything like that. They will probably be slick tonight, the bridges and overpasses, but they're just wet. All the roads are just wet. So that's a really good thing. And this is right now. So it's still coming down hard. But if you look over here, you can tell how much it is on the porch. And I guarantee it, we've gotten double that. You just can't tell because it has melted because it's warmer. Well, here's the aftermath. The next day, we got quite a bit. I don't know what it ended up being because it was melting pretty quick, but with it melting today and what's on my car, I would say we got a good 3 to 4 inches that actually stuck to the ground. But it kept sliding off. Oh, we got yellow snow. Kept sliding off the front of my car. He's so funny wearing his shoes. He hates them, but I let him out last night without his shoes on, and he looked at me like I was crazy.
Been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way back a year ago.
It's kind of deep over here, but it was pretty.
I'm not falling. I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going live. Still nobody